Sentence 1.
You don't deserve to be respected.
Sentence 2.
Rinse your mouth thrice.
Sentence 3.
Avoid gathering, brother.
Sentence 4.
Don't forget your status.
Sentence 5.
You just keep on eating.
Sentence 6.
The situation was worse.
Sentence 7.
I cannot tell you by tomorrow.
Sentence 8.
She couldn't come today.
Sentence 9.
I have been sore throat today.
Sentence 10.
May Allah protect you.
Sentence 11.
You have to go now.
Sentence 12.
It's been 3 days.
Sentence 13.
I have an upset stomach.